Do you have some coal pine timber lying around? Scrap wood? Well, why not make a cool rustic wooden noughts and crosses game? Perfect for a gift. Let's get started. Measure perfect squares, make markings, ready for the cuts. Make use of a miter saw for easy and straight cuts to cut your pine timber into blocks. Now you can thoroughly sand your blocks. Sand it well each side and also the corners, and make sure you round all the sharp edges. This will give a great look towards the end of the project. Use another piece of scrap wood and make your measurements so you can make a little box to house your blocks for the noughts and crosses game. Applying wood glue to those cover strips and then securing with clamps and allow them to fully dry. You can paint or stain your blocks any color you wish. I decided to go for a natural deep wood stain. I'm applying 2 coats and allowing all the blocks to dry. And then I'm using a stencil to mark out my nought and cross. A great clever way to make use of some scrap wood lying around, and you can easily share this with someone special as a DIY gift. Follow us for more DIYs like this one.